Twisted Christian, back with a video concerning one of Kim Clements' 8 wells, plus more, Synchrotron. I told you before I had posted something, or I'd found some information. I had found some information concerning Synchrotron and a company that I found, and it took a little bit of research to find it and dig through all the news and everything else. So we're going to discuss that a little bit here. If you guys like the videos that I post, please go to the Patreon. It'll pop up in the information above the video, and also at the end of the video, and also it is in the description. As I get deeper into this research, for those who are supporting on the Patreon, you guys will get this first, and then eventually it will come out later on YouTube. So, and like I said, I'm getting ready to do a big push in the comic, anime, and manga scene, graphic novel, as far as my project Grigori Legends. So I'm going to be pushing that this week, which means probably by next week there will be no longer a $1 tier. So if you guys get in, you need to get in now. For those who do the $3, $5, $10, and up tier, I will have other things that I will be giving away after so many months. You guys can receive those things, and I'll be coming up with some different items too as well. But I got to build it up in order to get to that point. So you guys need to, if you guys still want to get in at the $1, I would suggest you do that as soon as possible. There's this company that I found that is called VIVA BIOTECH Holdings. Alright, it was established in 2008. And this is one of the companies that is dealing with, that you can still invest in, on the Synchrotron technology that Kim Clement talked about. So this is called VIVA BIOTECH Holdings, right? This information will be below at the very bottom of all the description, right? So you can go there. I'll have the links there and everything. If you're already on the Patreon, all that information is already there. So VIVA BIOTECH Holdings, the place for structured-based drug discovery, right? So this company's been around for a little bit, so they do a lot of medical research. And so this is how I found that they deal in Synchrotron technology, right? This is the About Us section on the VIVA Holdings, or on the VIVA BIOTECH Holdings. We operate a leading structure-based integrated drug discovery platform in terms of revenue in 2017 and beam time for synchrotron radiation with a number of world-leading technologies and a scalable business model to share the upside of your customers' IP value. We provide structure-based drug discovery services to our biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies worldwide for their preclinical stage innovative drug development. So they use the synchrotron radiation, the synchrotron technology, right? So this is just one company that I've found so far. And if you're on the Patreon, you guys, like I said, you always do your research. Now, this is the thing with this company. And this is on the Patreon here, where I took a screenshot. And the only place so far, and I'm still waiting to hear back from E-Trade on my approval of my account, but this is a broker service called Interactive Brokers, right? This is the only one that I know so far that you can buy this particular stock. So that link will also be down below in the bottom of the description. So this is it right here, VIVA BIOTECH Holdings. It's on the Hong Kong exchange, right? It's not on any of the American exchanges. 1873 VIVA BIOTECH, that's its code. So when I look at VIVA BIOTECH stock just on Google, you can get some more information. Yeah, HKG, that's the Hong Kong markets, and its code is 1873. So this is just one of the ones that I found as far as that. Now, if you look at the news concerning them, they've had some delays in certain things, but as far as I know right now, and if I believe, I thought this may have been used in American dollars, but I guess it's Hong Kong dollars. So I think it might even be even cheaper if you're able to purchase that. So I have here, this is on the Patreon. Okay, like I said, it has all the information, the links, and everything. So if you guys want to get into that, you got to remember, any stock that I find that deals with Synchrotron or any other Kim Clements wells, I'm going to be posting it. But it's going to go on Patreon first. And you guys have to understand that does support me and what I do and all the research and able to put these videos together to put it out there. Because there is another one, which was not part of the 8 wells that he mentioned, but he did mention a company starting with BBB. And so that one I will be doing that video. I'll be recording it today, but I'll be putting the information on the Patreon today about that. So if any of you guys have an E-Trade account, please look this stock up. HKG 1873 VIVA BIOTECH Holdings. If any of you guys have an E-Trade account or any other kind of brokerage account, please check those symbols and send either me an email or put a link below in the description. So this is what I'm doing. I'm on the hunt for any stocks that deal with the Synchrotron technology. So that's going to be the focus. That's going to be the focus of this video. So Synchrotron will be the focus of some of my research, and also too what you guys can find out there if you're on the Patreon. Hey, if you find any other stocks, go ahead and go there and post a comment, the link to the company, and also you can do it on this video here on YouTube as well. Alright, so I just wanted to show that to you. All the information will be below in the description and also on the Patreon. With that, Twisted Christian out.